lovely messy garage. Yeah, this is what happens when you get a roommate that has a bunch of tools move in from a house. Ugh. You get all of this. That, yeah. Anyway, guess it's a good morning to you all. Yeah. Just getting ready for Friday. Yeah, so glad it's Friday. They've been running my ass ragged this entire week. Sean is a little bit tired. I really need to do something about that. Ghetto insulation. I'd like to put that rim back on. You can see I had the rims for the Bergman powder coated, but that one got a flat in it last, well, that would have been 2016 when I last used that particular rim on a trip down to Tennessee. It pulled in under a overpass because it was some rather nasty weather. That ended up giving me a flat because I got a nail in the tire. That was just bad luck that day. I think that was the, what was it, Call Forth the Crazies video when I went down for the eclipse viewing. Yeah. And it wasn't a bad weekend though, overall. So I got to see some pretty cool sights, being right in the area of totality. That was a neat experience. But told my boss, sorry, I just had to come and see that thing, so I did. Now it's one of those memories I'll hopefully never forget. Finally I think I'm gonna get that stupid mount printed for my on-bike camera. I still need to either decide to put it on a brake reservoir, on my dash, or on my mirror. But as you can see, my mirrors aren't exactly the most stable of surfaces. They got a lot of vibration in them. So I'll have to possibly put it like on a 4-point sorbethane mount to absorb the vibrations, and then mount it to the shock arm. I don't know. I still got to make a base too to match it to the curvature of my mirror too. So yeah, got a little bit more work to do on that, but I don't know. I'd like to put it on my mirror just because, you know, it's a little further out and I can get more of the side profile of the bike, but like I said, it's probably going to be too shaky to really use. But I won't know that until I actually try it. I know there's typically just the standard, you know, stick it on your handlebars right in front of you, but you know, sometimes I have my dog Norman on the back, so I'd like to get him in the shot when I have him on here. That way y'all can just see what he's doing. you're going too slow for me. Whee! See ya. This morning feels good. Earlier in the week I actually had to use my liner because it was in the low 40s. It was rather cold. But today it's 65, so it's don't need a liner for that. I mean, it's like barely on the tolerable side for being with or without one. I don't think at the lower end for me, but I don't mind it one bit because it's supposed to be almost near 90 today here in Cincy. Oh, look, another dude in shorts and sneakers. Yeah, like that's gonna protect your legs. Well, I was about to say all my gears are gonna wear through on a slide. Still, it's better than nothing. Since I started my chest wall reconfiguration treatment, I guess you would call it, with that vacuum bell, it's been a little sore the last week. As I've increased the pressure on it now. I'm definitely starting to feel it working, that's for sure. But I don't have a way yet to confirm it, whether it's working or not. I was hoping to have my 3D scanning camera functional, but I think that old SR300 I have crapped out on me. I can't get it to work in either AMD or Intel. So I have to buy another one, I guess. Stick with it though. I think it'll help a lot. It has been helping quite a bit. But anyway, I'm just about at work once again. So I'll see you all later.